Kamusta, ALS learners? Nakapag-swimming ka na ba ngayong summer? Mahilig ka din ba mag-outing kasama ang mga kaibigan mo? Di ba masarap mag-outing kasama ang mga kaibigan mo, lalo na kung nag-sharing ng pagkain? Base sa iyong napanood, ilan ang naghati-hati sa cake? Ilang piraso ang nakuha ng bawat isa? Magaling! Masaya ang magkakaibigan kung pantay-pantay ang paghahati-hatian. Ating pag-uusapan ngayon ay tungkol sa fraction na bahagi ng Learning Strand 3, Mathematical and Problem-Solving Skills. Magandang araw, ALS learners! Ako si Teacher Mir, ang iyong kaibigan at kakampi. Sabay nating abutin ang pangarap mong naunsyami. Ngayong araw, pag-aralan natin ang tungkol sa comparing fractions with the same denominators. Alam mo ba kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng fraction?
Ang fraction ay part of a whole. Halimbawa itong cake na pinaghati-hatian ng magkakaibigan. Ang isang buo ay hinati sa 6 na slices. Kapag ang isang slice ay kinuha, ang fraction ay 1/6 or 1/6. Kung ang cake ay hinati sa dalawa, ang isang bahagi ay 1/2 or 1/2. At kung ito ay hinati naman sa 6 na bahagi at kinuha ang isa, ang natira ay 5/6 or 5/6. Naunawaan ba? Mahusay! Halina't ating ipagpatuloy ang aralin ito. Paano ba malalaman kung alin ang mas maliit o mas malaking fraction? Fractions can be compared only when the wholes are of the same size. For example, the cake is divided into 5 equal parts, and the 3 parts were eaten. The number of equal parts is called the denominator, while the number of parts taken is called the numerator. Tandaan, kung magkukompare ng fraction na pareho ang denominator, i-compare ang numerator ng parehong fraction upang malaman kung alin ang mas maliit at mas malaki sa dalawang fraction. Bumili ng 2 cake si Eva. Hinati niya ito at binigyan ang kanyang kaibigan. Ang shaded part ang kumakatawan sa bahaging ibinigay niya sa kanyang mga kaibigan. Sa ating illustration, ang unang cake ay tawagin natin na cake A at ang pangalawa ay cake B. Now, I will show you the step in comparing fractions. Handa na ba kayo? Simulan na natin! First is to determine the fraction that represents the portion of cake A, which Eva gave her friends. Did you notice that cake A is divided into 6 equal parts? The 3 slices are shaded. Have you seen these 3 out of 6 parts or 3/6 are shaded? Therefore, Eva gave 3/6 of cake A. Second is to determine the fraction that represents the portion of cake B, which Eva gave her friends. Is cake B divided into 6 equal parts or 6? You've got it right! As you can see, 5 slices out of 6 or 5/6 are shaded. So Eva gave 5/6 of cake B. Third step. Compare the 2 fractions represented in these models. Both models are the same size and divided into the same number of parts, which means each part in both models is the same size. Cake B are more parts shaded than cake A. Cake B represents a greater fraction than cake A. Step. Write the comparison statement using less than, greater than, or equal symbol. The fractions have the same denominator. However, the fraction for cake B has a numerator of 5. And the fraction for cake A has a numerator of 3. 3 is less than 5. So 3/6 is greater than 3/6. What if the numerator and denominator is the same? A fraction which has the same numerator and denominator is equal. For example, 2/5 is equal to 2/5. 8/9 is equal to 8/9. Let's get going and try to compare this fraction using greater than, less than, or equal. Are you now ready? Otis walks 3/4 kilometer to school. Susie walks 2/4 kilometers to school. Who walks further to school each day? Good job! Let's continue. Grace and Charlie share a candy bar. Grace ate 5/8 and Charlie ate 3/8. Who ate the smallest part of the candy bar? Excellent! Marvin and Alexander are painting their bedrooms. Marvin has painted 2/5 of his room. Alexander has painted 1/5 of his room. Who has the most left to paint? That's better than ever. Juliana has 2/4 of her homework complete. Ella has 3/4 of her homework done. Who has done more homework? Juliana or Ella? That's it! I knew you could do it. Ali ate 2/6 of buko pie. Kara ate 3/6 of egg pie. Which pie has more left over? Good work! You outed yourself today.
Tingnan nga natin kung may natutunan ka sa araling ito. Kunin ang learning activity sheet at sagutan ito. Meron kang 1 minuto para matapos ito. Handa ka na ba? Simulan na natin! Let's check your answers. Nakuha mo ba lahat? Kung 4 o 5 ang nakuha mo na tamang sagot, congratulations! Dahil handang-handa ka na para matutunan ang susunod na aralin na ang pamagat ay comparing fraction with the similar denominator. Maiisa-isa mo na ba ang mga hakbang sa pag-compare ng fractions? Ano-ano ang mga hakbang na ito?
First is determine the portion of the fraction. Then, compare the two portions of the fraction represented. Lastly, identify whether it is greater than, less than, or equal. That's it! Kayang-kaya mo na ngayon mag-compare ng fractions.
Salamat sa pagsama at panonood ng araling ito sa matematika. This is Teacher Mir, ang iyong kaibigan at kakampi. Sabay nating abutin ang pangarap mong naunsyani. Till next episode, paalam!